We've had a lovely couple of nights and days here, haven't we?
Yeah.
What's the Superbike race?
It's been very pleasant. Beautiful views.
Yes.
Weather reasonable.
All very nice.
Yeah.
And now we'll head off to the next place.
Yes.
Indeed. Okay, so
Let's go to Ramsey Supermarket then.
So if you need to do any laundry while you're in Ramsey, just from the seafront down there, if you park near the pier along that bit, and then walk down here into St Paul Shopping Arcade, over in the corner there is a laundrette, which several around the island, but this one's nice and handy for us today. Hello, wishy-washy.
10 minutes. Yep.
Make sure you got max pound coins there, because that's all they take.
I might need another go.
We shall see.
Step out.
Pier's open.
Yeah. So do you think we should head for Douglas then?
Eh?
Do you think we should head for Douglas?
I don't know. I thought you wanted food.
Oh, I do, but I'll have a bag of crisps. But I'm just thinking of where we're going to.
Katie Million. What? Katie Million.
I was just
Sarah and
thinking.
James live here, don't they?
Yeah, of course they do. I'm just thinking about I'm thinking about tomorrow, where we're going to watch from.
Well, yeah. Where are we going to watch them?
Well, that's it. But if we want to get Braddon in, Braddon looks like tomorrow would be the best day because there's no rain.
You told me all this morning before we came to Ramsey.
Well, I've only just thought about it.
I asked you this morning before we left Blackfish.
So yeah, so probably we'll go Braddon tomorrow. I'll eat the Watsons. Keep me going.
So where am I headed?
To Douglas.
Oh, okay. say? What's his matrix sign say? Up here.
Oh. One way.
Main road one way.
Yeah.
Douglas, here we come.
What?
The thing.
Which one's this?
Banana.
Yeah. It looks quite small now.
Look at the little boat on the side bit.
Well, no, but
Yeah, I know.
do you know what I mean?
But if you look at the bed and you look at the lorry train sat on the back of it, you get more scale. The car sat there on the side.
Yeah. Yeah, but there it doesn't look like there's any vehicles on it.
Well, it's off. There's a lot of bikes.
You bet there's a lot of bikes.
Yeah.
It's not very often they're in both in at the same time, is it?
All three of them here.
Yeah. Looks like it does a about turn. Yeah, you don't realise the shape of the front nut. What do you call that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, we're on the slow one next year.
Back on the bend.
Yeah.
Oh, will it be the bend? Or will it be the maximum?
Well, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, let's have a look. They went what, down the front. Oh, that's right. Yeah. That's right. It'll be busy. People trying to get in.
Oh God, I hope it's not the same police officers on the hairpin. Didn't he do a lap earlier? Is it the same one? I don't know, could be. Sure it had motorhome miles on the back of it. Oh well, he's enjoying himself. It caused us any problems, that's fine. How about the bungalow?
How about it?
We can get up there, we can get parked.
Yeah. Shall we have a look?
Be there for the morning.
Yeah.
Got a good view.
Yeah.
We haven't done it for a couple of years.
Have we got to be down the side bit?
No. There's a freaking Arctic
Right.
behind.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
The Arctic's catching us up.
Oh, is it?
Oh, he's bobbed up. He's overtaken. He's racing the van.
Is he?
Look.
Oh my God.
Look back there, look.
I
They're
can
side
see
by
it. I
side.
can see it. See it. Keep out of his way then, because
Well, he's thundering. Look. Oh, that's brilliant. I love it. Arctic tractor. I'm going to have a play with the Arctic tractor. Why not? And the truck's going up there. That's cheating.
There's the dolphin.
And the dolphin, yeah. There's the dolphin. Yeah, so this is better that they've done it like this now.
That's good for that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a option as well, I suppose. That's the bike side.
Are we allowed to go up the top?
Do you see any signs saying you can't?
Not so far.
That's what?
Yes, baby. I didn't know they needed permission.
I don't see anything saying. No parking.
Sorry, we are closed.
Yeah, that's the Victory Cap.
Well, I know, I realise that.
You've not been in yet.
No, I haven't.
That's the lorry driver.
I don't know if you'll come. Yeah, because there was one part right up here, weren't they? Yeah.
No then?
No,
It's a no from Beverly.
I just don't feel comfortable.
Well, at least we got the picture of the dolphin and the.
Well,
and
that's it,
Jerry.
yeah. Just watch, there's a couple of dips there.
That's what we set into
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Oh, they've gone quite a bit more further. Stop! It's gone.
I've got to chuck this front wheel.
Okay, just this front one.
Yeah, I think so. I changed the other day.
Okay. You didn't you? I said- we thought it was full. We were going to go down the other end, and then we said, "Oh, it's going to be near the helicopter and everything." So he walked up. He said, "Oh, there's a space next to Mark and Joe."
I give up.
Oh dear. Well, yeah, absolutely, yeah. This is it. So, hello.
Hiya.
All right. Well, our plans went a bit AY.
I've got 2 laps of the track in though, so
We've been round twice.
yeah, we've had good fun. Well, I have.
We were going to go to Braddon, but we was going to park down that road for the night.
Yeah, Josh was telling me about it.
But it's not as wide, and you're sort of just a bit worried about your van.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There
so
was nothing else. If there'd been more stuff down there,
And it's all lined
Maybe,
up.
but there was nothing else there. So it was like, nah, I don't fancy that. And we went round to the wildlife park, looked in there and went, so yeah, we just made our way around the track again.
Stick with what you know.
Yeah,
Too right.
sometimes you're better off, ain't you?
Right, well, let you get settled.
See you
See you
later.
in the morning.
Yeah.